Hey guys, if you're still interested in print on demand to make your designs on different items starting with stickers, t-shirts, leggings, dresses and so on, so this video is for you to keep you going up. And frankly speaking, currently I am not active on print on demand business because I just decided to invest more time in different business models such as affiliate marketing, digital products, blogging and the like. But my history on Redbubble still pays me till today. I'm just still getting sales from Redbubble every single month. As you see here in this some examples, like this one 3 days ago, this amazing t-shirt of Yoga Peace Yoga Lover quotes. And this one, for example, a week ago, like regarding Daddy and Father Day, socks of love your daddy, father, daughter and so on, and love your daddy as you see. So if you are still working on Redbubble or any other print on demand platform, so keep you going your effort and your time just to make your designs and upload and promote, and you will get sales as I make. So you can actually work on different POD platforms like Redbubble, as you see, or Spreadshirt, Zazzle, Teespring.com, or Fourth Wall, or mydesigns.io, or TeePublic, or just using Printful with Etsy.com, Shopify and Etsy, and so on. Therefore, you've got to spread your designs over multiple platforms. Don't actually depend on a single platform to spread your thoughts and spread your designs, and for sure increase your opportunities and chances to get sales. And of course, I just talked about in many videos about print on demand and how you can promote your designs successfully on social media. You can find these videos in the playlist of Redbubble. Okay, perfect. If you're starting out your journey on print on demand business, besides different business models, like I said earlier, like affiliate marketing, digital products, YouTube, and so on, here you can actually use different POD platforms. And regarding creating your designs, here in AI era, it's easier now to create your designs just with a click of a button. But here, in this video, I'm gonna show you different sources how you can get and create your designs professionally that people love in different POD platforms. And of course, the first method here, you can get ready done for you designs that you can get from popular marketplaces and you can use commercially on different print on demand platforms. Of course, I mean Creative Fabrica in the first place. Here you can find millions of these designs done for you about any niche you can think of. So here, for example, if you just can search for anything like for Father Day, Mom Day, Halloween, Christmas, and so on, you can find here tons of these designs. You can use, download, and just upload directly to your own Redbubble account, Teespring, and so on, commercially, without any doubt. So for example, here you can search for something like cats or karate, kung fu, or kickboxing, for example, football, and so on. You can find here a plethora of these designs ready for you. So I can search for something like daddy or anything, daddy t-shirt, okay, as an example. And here you can find bundles or single t-shirts regarding this amazing niche, as you see. Perfect. And of course, you can find here also on Creative Fabrica cross niches that combines two different niches in single design, like fathers and coffee, or mom and yoga, and so on and so forth. So here you can find huge amounts of these designs that you can actually don't have to waste your time to get ideas, to chase trends, to create your designs, and so on. Here you can get all what you want here on Creative Fabrica. Just download and upload, plug and play method. Okay, perfect. So of course you can actually start here on Creative Fabrica completely for free, risk-free trial. Here you can download the first designs completely free of charge. And of course, If you love this amazing platform more, you can actually subscribe, and it's Black Friday today. Okay, perfect. So the first method here to get your designs and make your own store blown up with amazing designs, of course, is creativefabrica.com. And the second method here, you can create your designs using AI. Of course, here in AI era, it's an amazing way to create your designs here and get amazing quotes, or just you can ask ChatGPT to give you different quotes or something, and create your designs in amazing AI image generators out there. So here I'm just gonna show you some examples of these websites you can depend on to create stunning designs. For example, for sure, Nano Pana from Gemini.google. Here you can go to this amazing website, and here you can create image, insert here your prompt or description of your design you want. Then you will find here a masterpiece from AI. Okay, perfect. But of course, you've got to make a research before to get the keywords, to get quotes, trending designs, and so on. And the second website here, of course, you can head over to this amazing website, aifreebox.com. Here you can find over 600 tools ready for you completely for free, including this one that says illustration and artist styles, effects, and branding and identity. Of course, I just talked about this amazing website before. You can find this video down below in the first comment and description box. Anyway, here you can find in this amazing website different tools to create your t-shirt designs. For instance, this one that says AI children poster t-shirt design generator. As you see, here you can insert your prompt smoothly and easily and simply, and here you can find amazing result just in few seconds. Or this one, AI cool t designs generator, like this one. Or this one, AI stick man poster t-shirt designs generator. Okay, or this amazing one, AI fat cartoon characters to create your stickers, to create your bundle, and so on. And this one, AI shirt design generator, like this one. Or this one, business animal teas generator, perfect niche. And this one, pattern maker, it's awesome section here in the AI tool, like this one, portraits to create your wall arts, and so on, as you see. And this one, epic warrior portraits generator. So all of these tools enable you to create your own designs perfectly just in few seconds. Then you can upload directly to your own platform. Or vintage postage stamps to create your designs for nostalgia and historic elements, and so on. Lines image generator as creating memes or stickers. And I just repeat, you can find the video talking about this amazing website. You can find this video down below in the first comment and the description box. So this website, aifreebox.com. And the third website here just to recommend you to use to generate high quality designs, of course, is Recraft.ai. Here simply can revert to this plus icon. Then you will be taken to this page. Then select your image. Just insert here your prompt or your description of your design you want to generate. Here you can set your own style to get it. Here you can find tons of these styles to create your own designs for portrait, dresses, patterns, icons, logos, as you see. Graphic design like punk graphic, vintage, trippy retro, bold, vibrant, and so on. And of course, it gives you free plan. Thus, here you can depend on these websites to create your own designs, to get and create your designs for print on demand. And of course, regarding optimizing your own designs on Redbubble or Marketplace to get more exposure, you can find these videos down below in the description box. So, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.